Hello everyone, welcome to Battle Nation. In this video I'm going to show you how to make military power comparison videos just like the ones on my channel. I have already made a video about this before, but many people asked me to explain it again. That's why I decided to create this updated tutorial. My English is not good, so you may notice some grammar or pronunciation mistakes. I apologize in advance. Before we move on to the main part, I want to show you some of my old project files. I'm going to show you the project files of my previous YouTube channel. As you can see here, I have started making military power comparison videos in the year of 2022. I have created 20 military power comparison video projects. For example, let's choose this one, France versus Turkey. The language of the video was Uzbek, not English. This is my previous YouTube channels. Okay, now let's move on to the main part. As you see here, this project file was created on March 27, 2022. I have been working on this type of content for years. That means that I'm not a beginner in making military comparison video. I'm not new. So now let's move on to the main part. To create a military power comparison video, we follow three main steps. Okay, first is collecting information. Get information and creating animation and editing video. To get information we need globalfirepower.com. Creating an animation we use PowerPoint, and in video editing we use Camtasia, CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. Well, Camtasia, CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro, it is completely up to you, because we do not need a complex video editing program. We just add background music, so Camtasia is enough. I think Camtasia is enough. Well, step 1, getting information. First step is collecting accurate data. For this we use globalfire.com. This is one of the best and most popular websites for military data. It is open and easy to understand and widely used. Go to browser and search Global Firepower. Okay, after you have entered this, one very useful feature on this website is comparison tool, which allows us to compare the military power of two countries. Select this comparisons button and select the countries that you are going to compare. For in our case, I'm gonna choose United States and Russia. After selecting the countries, we simply click compare button. As you can see here, detailed military information for both countries appears. This data is what we use in our videos. So now let's move on to the second step, creating the video. As you can see here, now I'm going to show you the project files of Battle Nation. I have created Battle Nation YouTube channel in August 2025, and I have created over 60 project files for the year of 2025. And now let's create a project file for this. Go to New and select Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I usually use a Microsoft PowerPoint to make the animations. This is just an example. The most important thing understanding the workflow, not design itself. Design elements like timelines, scores, rankings, or progress bars are optional. You can customize them however you like. After opening Microsoft PowerPoint, click Add New Slides. Go to Layout and select Blank. Now go to Insert and Word Art and type the names of both countries. For example, United States of America and Russia. Place the names of countries in correct position. And go to Insert, and now let's insert the background. Go to Pictures, go to Insert and select Pictures and select this device. And as you can see here, I have uploaded so many backgrounds. Now I'm gonna choose one of them. Go to Home page and select Arrange and select Send to Back. So now let's change the color of text from black to white and increase the size of text and change the font style. Select Arial Black and go to Shape Format and change the text outline. Select this. I think this is good. And now it is time to insert the flags of both countries, the flag of Russia and the flag of United States. Now go to Insert, select Pictures, this device. So this is the flag of Russia. So this is just for example to understanding the progress of creating a comparison video, not complex. It is completely up to you, adding extra scoring bars, timeline, or changing the graphics, but the progress is same. Now enter. After placing the flags of both countries, duplicate the country names and type global rank. Duplicate the country names, type global rank, decrease the size of the text, now enter the ranks, the first and second, and change number color to yellow. Okay. And now duplicate the name of countries and type the comparison category like global rank. And let's change the size of texture and also duplicate this and write in the numbers, and I suggest to change the number of color of number to yellow. That's it. And that's it. The first slide is ready, and now it is time to animate everything. Let's start the animating by the names of the countries. Select the country names and go to Animation tab and choose the float in. The next animate the flags. For the flags, I choose split animation. After that, animate the comparison category, and finally the numbers. Let's animate the animation category. And finally the numbers. So the name of countries and flags stay until to the end of the video. The comparison rank and numbers are changed in every new slide. So we add extra exit animation for them. Select them all, select all, and go to add animation, click float in. After that, go to animation pane. Here we reorder the animations. We reorder the animations. Okay, in this case everything is perfect, everything is good, but we should change some settings. Choose the exit animations, choose all the exit animations, set delay to 4 seconds, and direction should be the first 1 second. And let's play all. So everything is nice. And now let's compare the capitals of both countries. Go to slides, go to first slides, and duplicate the slide. And now let's insert the pictures of both countries' capitals. First, the capital of United States. It is time to Russia. So the next insert the after inserting the images of both capitals, it is time to animate them as well. Go to animation tab and select float in and add animation and float out. Go to animation pane and let's reorder. As you can see here, the names of countries are animated, but we don't need them. We remove the animation. Select the first 4 animations and go and select none. So it is the animations are disappeared, and select these 2 animations. Select this and bring them to the second order, and select this with Paris and set delay to 4 seconds, and let's click play all. Everything works smoothly, and now we are ready to move on to the next slide. Now on the slide we are going to compare the strengths of both countries. We are going to compare the tank strengths of both countries. Type tanks. So to get information about the number of tanks of both countries, go to globalfire.com, and as you can see here, the number of tanks are written. The tanks of United States is 4,667. Okay, now let's insert the picture of tanks. Go to insert, select pictures, this device. Once the images are ready, it is time to animate them. After that, open animation pane and select the entering and exit animations. Select float in, click add animation, select float out and go to animation pane and reorder the animations. Bring these two entering animations to the second order and select this to with previous and select the delay to 4 seconds. Play all. Everything looks pretty much good. And now it is time to compare the submariners. So in this part I will say nothing. You will learn by watching. So this slide is ready as well. So I think everything is understandable. When you create the animation, full animation, a full military power comparison video between two countries, the numbers of slides goes up to 50 or 45 slides. It takes a little bit long time, but the result is enjoyable. Well, in this video, in this 4 slides, I have tried to understand. I have tried to teach you. I have tried to. Well, I tried to show you how to make a project file, to teaching the progress of making and creating a project file, creating an animation. After you have finished 50 slides, you're gonna go to file, you're gonna choose file tab and go to export and create a video. This exports your project file into video format. And now type let's type United States versus Russia. Do you understand the number of slides? I hope you understand. The number of slides can go up to 50. Across these slides you will compare many different categories such as armored vehicle, total soldiers, military leadership, population, total area, roadways, railways, shared borders, destroyerships, and many other military and economic factors. All this animation can be found on globalfire.com. After you have exported the video, we will be in the third step. Open Camtasia. Well, I have been using this editing method for over 4 years, so I'm very comfortable with it. This also means I'm not a beginner. Camtasia is simple and easy to use because we are not doing complex edits, we only adding background music, so there is no need for advanced editing software. If you prefer, you can also use CapCut. It is a great option as well, but in my case Camtasia works perfect. So we're gonna choose import media and select the video format that you are going to edit. After you have bring to this media bar, select this button and select import media and uploading a music. I suggest you to upload music from YouTube Studio Library, and you can use the music in your monetized video. It is safe to use. It is very safe. After the video file and audio file is ready, select the video and bring to timeline. This is called timeline. After you have bring the audio, bring music. So our project file is 4 slides, so the video is not long. It is just 30 seconds. If you make 50 slides, it goes over 8 or 9 minutes. Okay. So if you want to cut the music, you bring this in correct place and select this split and press it and select it, and now video is split into 2 parts, and simply delete it. Okay, and go to export, local file, select video format, MP4 with smart player, and select next and place tick this organize produced files into subfolders and rename USA versus Russia and press finish. After everything is ready, click export, choose local file and select video format. Summary: how to create a military power comparison video. Collecting information, use globalfire.com for accurate and up-to-date military data. Creating PowerPoint animation. Creating the PowerPoint presentation. Start with blank slide, add country names, flags and categories. Use clear fonts, for example Arial black, and readable colors, white for text, yellow for numbers, and animating slides. Animate country names and flags, float in or split to appear first and stay until the end. and use the animation pane to control the order and timing, usually with a 4 seconds delay between changes. Duplicate slides for each new category such as capitals, tanks, submariner, and repeat the animation process. Exporting and editing video. After finishing all slides up to 50, export the presentation as a video format. Import the video into a small editor like Camtasia or CapCut. Add background music from YouTube library for copyright safety. Export the final rendered video for upload. I hope that video is understandable. I know that I'm not good teacher. I just content maker and I'm not good at English, but I try to understand everything. So now our video is ready. Well, system. Our video is ready. Subscribe to Battle Nation for military power comparison videos and for this kind of tutorial videos. Well, if I make some kind of mistakes or some kind of grammar or pronunciation mistakes while I'm speaking, or some kind of things were not understandable, leave your comments and I reply them. Subscribe to Battle Nation, support us by clicking like and subscribe to Battle Nation. See you in the next comparison videos. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention.